Hey guys, I just wanted to show you real quick my sweet potato vine. We have two of them. We have this light green one and we also have the purple one that you see right there. Now these are both in small 3-gallon containers. Growing up these string that we have tied up, this is where the purple one's growing out of. We've got a little irrigation drip here. The sweet potato plant is its cousin, so this is a sweet potato vine. And it's like an ornamental plant. I really recommend these for anyone who wants to grow in a hot environment like the desert. See that? That's where she's coming out of. So she's coming out right there. She's stretching this way, and then she stretches this way. We're gonna take some cuttings from our sweet potato vine, and we're gonna put them in here. And we're gonna put one lime green one, one purple one lime green one, and one purple one. So I made 4 little holes in here, and that's where we're gonna put the sweet potato cuttings. We're about to go cut them right now. And what I'll do is I'll cut down over here, and then I'll cut a couple of these nodes that are coming out. And this is what we're gonna plant right now into the pot. Alright, that's the first one. Let's go get some more. We'll get some more from this one that was growing into the cement. Cut off a couple of these. Let's put that one inside too. Part of gardening is that you want to experiment and try doing this with all kinds of different plants. Number 2, let's go get 2 purple ones. Alright, so you can see how beautiful this one is. You can see that the new growth is like green. So I'll cut it from down here. We'll plant this one in a second. And then let me grab another one from maybe this area over here. This is the furthest one. I'll cut down here. And let's go plant these 2. So let me grab a little bit of water. It is September 7th, 2020, and as you can see here, this is the sweet potato vine that is continuing to grow up these strings that we tied up. Looks totally amazing. I love this plant. And just to update you, they are all 4 alive. Look at that. You can see how the end right here is pointing up. That's a very good sign. The leaves are up and alive. Same thing with this one. It's hanging out of the pot. This one as well. It's not doing the best, but it is up. It is alive. Look at this one. It's got one like dead leaf necrosis, but look at that. You even got a little green leaf coming out. That is amazing. All 4 of these transplants lived and survived, and now they are going to begin to grow. We'll see how long they grow into the season. Super excited because these plants really love to spread out into your garden and give your garden beautiful color and life. There you go, guys. That's the update for the transplant. And hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again for joining us here at Garden, Eat, Sleep, Repeat. And again, I hope you and your garden are doing great. And we'll see you guys on the next one.